Okay, a quick thing that I was explaining for the try-in. You remember that on the try-in, we check for the finish lines over the the section dies on the casts, huh? The working cast. So we work with the finish lines, and we can remove these and look at them and then close. I'm not going to go through that because you have it clearly elaborated on in your textbooks. The issue that I'm talking about, if I have any faults in the relation of the two to the die, I need to this repeated. So do I ask for these on the day that patient is coming?
No.
No. Make it a habit in your clinic whenever you're working with fixed prosthodontics and you have something done indirectly, meaning at the lab, and you are receiving it for the patient service. This should be received before a day or two, giving some allowance for it to be repeated if there was some fault. Okay? This applies to the metal. For example, if I have a bubble, I have something wrong, I have an open margin, I have something wrong with this, I have time to resend it to the lab to remake it. This is even more important in ceramics, because in ceramics, with good magnification, you should have good magnification at your clinic. You could see micro cracks, you could see micro shipping, and these shipping could come from the occlusal surface down or from the fitting surface up. So you have to be able to detect with a good light, fiber optic, for example, it will show you the crack lines. So if you have crack lines, bubbles, any deficiencies in the restoration, you could have time to repair it before the patient comes to your clinic. So always make it a habit. When you have indirect restorations, ask for them earlier than the patient's visit. It is very, very embarrassing for you to have some faulty work, presenting it to the patient and then discovering it's faulty. Okay? Especially in that the technician does not meet your patient, and you're the one facing the patient and facing all of the criticism or blame from him or them. Okay? Thank you.